Hi, Val.
Say something. Ow. What's wrong, Val?
I pick up.
It almost sounds fake. Ow, it hurt. Why did you put your head back? 'Cause they took over my body.